Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE brand washing machine and you're getting an E70 error on the display and you're wondering what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of this error to fix it. So first of all, what the error means is that it's sensing that there's a key stuck, a button stuck on the control panel. So there's two things that you should really do here, and you can do them at the same time. You know, one is a hard reset, and two is actually checking the buttons. I would just go ahead and do them at the same time, which is I would go ahead and turn your washing machine off and unplug it, and then you want to go through all the buttons and just kind of wiggle them back and forth and make sure none of them, you know, sometimes some gunk can get stuck in the button, and then it's when you push it down, it kind of stays stuck down. So kind of wiggle all those buttons and make sure that that there's nothing sticking. And once you've kind of worked all those buttons loose, plug your washing machine back in, turn it back on, and then if that should get rid of the issue. If it doesn't get rid of the issue, that means you've got something on your control panel is actually broken, and you're just going to need to actually replace the control panel.